Hi everybody, welcome to Synchronicity Yoga's YouTube channel. My name's Kevin, so find a place to roll out your mat and let's get started. Today's sequence is going to be around creating strength in your body, your legs particularly, and your core. So to begin, come standing top of the mat, feet about hip distance apart, lift the toes, spread them, place them down onto the mat, palms come down to your sides, shoulders draw back, Tadasana. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead, gaze up. Exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Inhale, take a half lift, extend through the crown of the head, hands to shins, shoulders draw back. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, high plank. Now wrists are stacked underneath the shoulders, belly draws in. Think cat back here. So you're gonna round slightly through the back, heels drive towards the back of the wall, back of the room. Find some stability, press into the mat. Now walking the right hand, working to keep, let's walk the right hand into the middle of the mat. Work to keep the hips square. Maybe taking the feet a little bit wider than the mat or just out to the sides of the mat. If you need some more stability, turn to the outside of the right foot, inside of the left foot, open up to the left, extend the right arm up towards the ceiling, side plank. Now careful not to dump into the hips here. Press the hips up, press into the right arm, reach up high. Breathe. Deep breath in and out the nose. Looking down at the right hand. Bringing left hand down, placing it next to the right. Spinning onto the other side of the feet, outside of the left, inside of the right. Right hand reaches up. Press the hips up, ribs up, reach long, get strong. Deep breath in through the nose, out the nose. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Keeping the feet as wide as the mat, palms stacked underneath the shoulders. Keeping the hips still, take the right hand, tap the right shoulder. Right hand comes back down, hips stay square, tap the left shoulder. Right here, we got back and forth, to the left, to the right, two more, to the left, to the right, last time, to the left, to the right. There we go, press back, down dog, hips go up, bend the knees. Long spine, tip of the tailbone to crown of the head. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, bring the knee to nose. Round through the back, shift the weight forward. Inhale, right leg goes up and back. Exhale, step through runner's lunge. Foot comes in between the hands. Now option to bump the back left foot over slightly to find more stability. Inhale, hands come forward and up, crescent warrior. Bend the back knee, square the hips to the front, straighten the back leg, draw the belly in. Inhale to reach up, look up. Exhale, fold 45 degrees, float the hands. Inhale, hands come forward and up. Exhale, fold 45. Inhale, reach forward and up. Exhale, fold, two more. Inhale, reach forward and up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, bring the hands to the heart. Take the left elbow outside that right knee. Press into the palms, twist open, spread the chest, spread the collarbone. Option here to release the hands, open up the arms, or keep the hands pressing together, pressing into either palm. Gaze can come up towards the ceiling or looking out to the right. Breathe deeply in and out the nose. strong into the legs. Inhale, hands come forward and up, crescent warrior. Exhale, hands come down to the mat. Step the right foot back to meet the left. Feet come as wide as the mat. Shoulder taps again. Take the right hand, tap the left shoulder. Bring it down. Left hand, right shoulder. Bring it down. 2 more each side. Left and right. Left and right. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, left leg up and back. Exhale, knee to nose. Step through. Runner's lunge, soft step. Bump the right foot out if you need to. Inhale, hands come forward and up. Square the hips to the front of the room. Work to straighten the back leg. Keep front knee stacked over ankle, belly drawing in. Pinky spiral in, reach up, look up. Inhale to reach. Exhale, fold 45 degrees. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, fold 45 degrees. Inhale, reach forward and up. Exhale, fold 45. 2 more. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, hands to heart, prayer twist to the left. Right elbow outside the left knee, press into the palm, spread the chest. Option to gaze out or gaze up. You can open the arms here or keep pressing into the hands. Strong into the legs. Strong in that back leg, drive the heel back. Inhale, hands come forward and up. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Step back, down dog. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, round through the back, shift forward, high plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale to high plank. Exhale, down dog. 2 more. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, down dog. Bend the knees though, let them hover just over the mat. So down dog, arms, knees are 1 inch off the mat. Bear pose, be strong here. Breathe deeply. 3, 2, 1. Option to look forward, jump through to a seat, or bring the legs in front of you and just swing them around. Feet come flat on the mat, hands behind the thighs. Find a spot where you can balance, floating the feet. Extend your right leg long. And now your left. Take the right and left hand out, lift the chest. Point the toes. Inhale to lower slowly. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come up. Inhale, lower slowly. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, come up. Last one. Inhale. 3, 2. Hover over the mat. Last one. Exhale, come up. Cross right ankle over left. Plant the palms outside of the seat and press. Try and lift your seat. Try and come up. Bring the seat down. Extend the legs long. Arms come out. Last 3. Inhale, lower. 3, 2, 1. Exhale up. Inhale, lower. 3, 2, 1. Exhale up. Last one. 3, 2. Hold it. Last one. Exhale, come up. Left ankle crosses right. Lift the seat. Bring it back down. Cross the legs. Nice work. Hands come to the knees. Check back in with the breath. Deep breath in the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take 2 more. Bringing hands to heart center. Bowing head to hands. Making sure not only in your practice but in your life, you're finding strength but also ease in everything that you do. Sthira Sukha Asana. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for practicing. If you like this video, please comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next Sunday for a new video. Namaste.